Hello everyone. So today we're going to open another InStyles.com shoe delivery, and it's the exact, no big surprise, it's the exact same shoe I ordered a month ago for my mom. But well, we hope it is. I don't know if it is, but it is supposed to be an 8.5. I ordered her a 9.5 last month, and it was a little big, so I guess their sizes run a little big. So in case you try to order from them, this is also my review to let you know that their sizes run a little bit big. But a lot of you have been commenting in my last video, so this is kind of like a part two to let you guys know. And also an apology. I was a little upset and maybe a little rude the last time in my video to InStyles, and I was thinking I never got the item. I was like, man, it's taking forever. I even almost disputed the charge with USA. By the way, I called them back and I told them please give them the money, which they did. So I just want to let you guys know they do take about 3 weeks or so to arrive. It's a little slower, but they're legit. They do arrive. And by the way, their customer service is on point. Okay, I work in customer service and I work in a call center for customer service, and so I know what good customer service is. And they have responded within hours every time. Like, you email them, it is a personal response. It is not like a robotic auto response, not like just a generic copy and paste response like some companies do. No. This is a real person. They actually respond back to you, and you can like have a conversation with them. It's actually really nice to have a person who is reading your email and responding correctly. So kudos to them, whoever that person is or whoever that team is over there. Great job. Okay. So I did reach out to them because their return policy is a little strict. Okay. Their return policy is like, you got to figure out if these are the right shoes for you within 3 days of it arriving at your place. And I was like, oh crap, because my parents travel. They're full-time travelers, and so by the time they got here to Arizona, I had already had the item for a couple weeks. So I didn't know if they were going to fit or not, which they didn't. And I reached out to them and I said, look, unfortunately, these shoes do not fit her. Can I do a return still? Hopefully, fingers crossed, And I said, even though it's been past the 3-day grace period, and they were so nice, they said, yeah, just return it back to us. They gave me the address to return it back to, but instead I didn't need it. I actually ended up selling them to somebody else who wanted them. So, because they're really nice shoes. So we're going to open this box. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it's the right item and it's the right size this time. And once again, unfortunately, I was hoping I would get this package in time because my mom is leaving to go on a cruise this week. And then what happens? She left yesterday, or maybe the day before. And what happens? I get these like the next day. So unfortunately, she's not going to be able to try them on in that 3-day window again. InStyles, if you see this, please be gracious enough like you were last time. If these don't fit, I might have to be doing this all over again. But hopefully, I'm not going to have to keep reordering over and over. And hopefully, these ones will work. By the way, on my last video, I did mention that their packaging was a little questionable. It still feels that way. It's still extra squishy, but I will say the wrapping job this time, there's no holes. It looks like they used a lot more tape, so it's a lot more secure. So kudos to them. And it actually looks like it didn't travel around the whole world like the other one did, because the other one was dirty. So let's go take a look. Let's see, and let's unbox this, shall we? It almost looks like a Christmas package, like when you wrap Christmas presents, and you know how when you get the corners and you fold them into a triangle. That's what this is. Look, see, it's like, look at this. That's what this is. So it's almost like somebody was in the Christmas spirit, was wrapping the FedEx packages like a Christmas package. Okay. I know y'all are probably thinking, Carlos, don't be pointing the scissors at yourself when you're opening something. You're supposed to be pointing away from yourself. I thought about that as I was doing it, so let me fix that. Sorry. I don't need you guys commenting saying, don't be an idiot and stab yourself, idiot. Okay. Just smells a lot more plasticky. They still use that same crunchy box. This is the same crunchy box. They must get an abundance of crunchy boxes. by the way. These were $170 again. Oops. Okay, well, I can tell just by looking, they are definitely smaller. Oh, they're so cute. Dang, those look really small now. I really hope they fit. But they're so cute. Anyway, so yeah, so they are the right shoe again. So thank you. That's great. Actually, let me look to see if they are 8.5 in here. One second. Okay, yeah, they're the same size. One of them, it looked a little bit bigger in the box. Okay, so it is 8.5. Okay, cool. So hopefully, fingers crossed, these will fit, and my mom will be happy. So once again, I do recommend nstyles.com. They have been great to work with. I told them I said, I'm sorry for talking so much crap about you guys in my last video. So I told them, I said, if I make another video, I would highly recommend them. I encourage you guys to use them. Obviously, they are legit. They do provide the shoes that they are, that you buy. Just be patient with them. It does take about 3 weeks for it to arrive. Okay. That's all I got for you guys. If you have questions, comments, put them down below. Bye.